So ProScan Imaging is principally a teleradiology business, but we also do a lot of work in the clinical research world. We do provide some technology solutions for companies that are moving medical images around the world. On the outpatient imaging side, there's 26 sites in 7 states in the U.S. only. The teleradiology company reads for nearly 400 locations, principally in North America, but there's a handful of them around the world as well. The radiology team reads a little over 350,000 studies a year. We manage a little over 60,000 studies for patients that are involved with clinical trials somewhere in the world. So our goals as an organization really are to deliver the highest quality medical service in a timely fashion, in a compliant fashion, and in a very reliable fashion. In our business, you're basically, like a lot of other businesses, only as good as your last performance. And so a solution like the IntelePACS is just a critical component of our ability to get that job done well, get it done well every day, every time. And it's to say it's mission critical is even an understatement. It is inherently part of the high quality service that we deliver every day. Well, the radiologists, without a question, find the environment to be more efficient, and it's more efficient because it's easier for them to stay focused on what's important right now, what's the next important study that they need to do. It helps them, it provides a workflow environment along with our other tools that is easy to use and as I said earlier, highly reliable. So it's really helped them be very efficient. They also like the viewer. There are a lot of viewers in the world, and we could argue that there's a lot of good ones in the world. This is definitely one of the good ones, and our team likes it, finds it to have the feature set and the easy use that they need in order to deliver great medicine and to deliver it on time and reliably. We handle a lot of complex cases. All of our radiologists are subspecialty trained. People hire us to provide subspecialty expertise. And so this environment allows our radiologists, even when they're not in the same physical location, to easily collaborate on cases and to share key images and presentation states. And there's a number of tools that give them the opportunity to do a terrific job when they need to of collaborating on any individual exam. In our world, our radiologists, it's not unusual for them to move from one imaging center to another during the course of a day. So in cities where we have multiple imaging centers, a radiologist might be assigned to be at one facility in the morning and one facility in the afternoon. It's also not unusual for them to be reading from home on the weekends for weekend coverage, for example, or even in the evening for urgent case coverage. So the mobility and flexibility of the IntelePACS platform really is very helpful with regard to all of those types of operational needs that we have. So for us, what we've found is service and support is really a strength of Intelerad. And our teams work very closely together, and of course have now for more than 7 years. And but the service and support level has been very good. They're responsive. They know what they're doing. Their people understand their system and understand a lot about our systems as well and how things need to interact. So it makes for really not only a very efficient and reliable kind of relationship, but a real reassuring relationship as well. Nobody wants anything to go wrong, and things fortunately do not go wrong a lot, but when they do, when there is an issue, we need things fixed quickly, we need them addressed quickly, we need to all understand them quickly, and we find the Intelerad team to be very professional and very capable in this particular area. We have an excellent relationship with Intelerad, and it is among the best relationships that we have with any of our business partners. And I think it's based on mutual respect. I think it's based on a proven track record on both sides of the relationship. It's based on a really good product, meaning the Intelerad IntelePACS. It's just easier to have a relationship with a partner when their product's really good. But at the same time, the people that are involved are always important. And there's been continuity at Intelerad. And when they do add new people, as they've grown to the team, they add high quality people. We see it consistently, and so we appreciate that a lot. It makes us our job easier. It also gives us more confidence in an area of our business that is very, very important to us.